All right, we are back. Hope you got a minute to catch a breath. That was great conversation with Shalini and really enlightening. Now we have a lot of great stuff ahead for you. We are switching to IIT Innovation segment right now. I'd like to introduce Suparna Kumar, and she will lead us through the whole show. Suparna is IIT Bay Area Board of Director. She is experienced engineering leader with a demonstrated history of working with large-scale distributed systems, IoT, big data, and scaling high-performing teams to new heights. She has held multiple engineering leadership roles in industry, most recently at Salona, and prior to that at Cisco. She has been contributing to IIT startups as a mentor. She is also the founding member of firstboard.io, an initiative to increase women representation on corporate boards for technology and companies. It's a pleasure to have you here, Suparna, and a lot of IITs that will be showing up soon. So take it away, please.
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Nidhi, for that introduction. What a phenomenal day it has been so far. Absolutely inspirational. And just like me, all of you probably sitting in the audience today, throughout the day, at some point or the other, would have had a flashback into your days in IIT campus. At least for me, it was very nostalgic. And really, to be able to connect back to the IIT, our alma mater, and it is my pleasure today to actually host the innovation showcase section where we hear from the IITs directly. All of the fantastic innovation that has been happening there, from clean, sustainable energy to clean water, 3D printing, innovative ways of taking examinations during the pandemic. So without further ado, let us get started listening to the various IITs. So first up is Shashank.
Thank you, Suparna. It's my pleasure to be here. A very good evening to everyone in Bay Area, and good morning to everyone in India. So I am Shashank Shekhar. I am a PhD student at IIT Gandhinagar. I am also co-founder of Mycop Private Limited, which is currently incubated at IIT Gandhinagar. We have been working in the field of 3D concrete printing for past more than 4 years. And I'll just brief you about what we have been doing in these past 4 years. So our mission and motto has been to actually integrate the man-machine. Primarily, if we look at the current scenario of manpower across globe, even in India or other developing countries as well, there is a shortage of labor. So there is a need of man-machine integration in these tough times. And then there is also a need to reduce the construction time and cost for we have a lot of shortage of housing as well. Across even in the developed countries and developing countries as well. So there is a need of our new technology which can actually fill the gap between. And if you look at construction is one of the leading contributor to the global carbon emission. So it contributes almost 7 to 8%. So there is a need to actually optimize the structures that we do. And this is where 3D concrete printing can actually help a lot. And we have been working towards this. So IIT Gandhinagar, Mycop, and there are some other supporters to our initiative as well, who have helped us to actually build this large scale 3D concrete printing technology. And this is a complete Indian development where we have been actually able to ensure that we reduce the capital cost of these equipment significantly. Also, the running cost involved in actually developing structures is also reduced a lot. And we have developed the materials for this. We have the software developed for this system, and now we have actually commercialized this technology as well. And a lot of clients, like be it government, be it private, actually are adopting this technology now in India rapidly. So this is a short video of a shelter that we recently did for Indian Army. So Indian Army actually require a lot of infrastructure in terms of like shelters. Also, they require high performance buildings like bunkers and other bridges as well. And a major requirement for them is primarily that they need it to be done in a very short duration of time with limited manpower, limited resources that they have. And this is where this technology is going to help them a lot. And like a lot of people from Indian Army are actually very excited about this technology, and they are willing to actually deploy these structures pan India, across the borders and within the Indian boundaries as well. So you can see there we are actually we have printed kind of a structure. It's kind of a prefab 3D printing technology where we actually printed the entire roof, wall, floor in a single go. And then we just simply actually erected it together piece by piece to complete the entire structure in less than 2 days. So this is the speed that we are talking about. And we are also ensuring that there is a very good quality compliance in these structures, because we are actually controlling each and every input from starting to end. So this way we are able to actually deliver to the requirements of our clients like Indian Army and other clients as well. So this is a shelter which we actually printed in just less than 36 hours of net printing time. And then this entire structure was erected just in 2 days with all the detailing for door, windows, electrical, plumbing, fitting, and all. So apart from such structures, we have also actually tested, I would say, India's only anti-tank. So bunker. So we have developed bunkers which are like anti-tank that can take hits of rocket launcher. We have also developed like outdoor furniture artifacts using this technology. Also, like we are also now co-developing bridges, culverts, and other infrastructures as well, along with some other clients. So there is definitely a lot to be done in this field. In this field of 3D concrete printing, and definitely like environment created by IITs and IIT Gandhinagar has been very supportive in this entire journey. So we look forward to actually print the new future. Yeah, thank you.